The search for the elderly woman who was washed away in the Montego River in St. James continues to be hampered by rain. But as Jamaica Maitland explains, the rain hasn't necessarily been a bad thing.
Firefighters were forced to abandon their search for 68-year-old Beryl Walters Friday afternoon after the skies went from clear blue to dark quickly, signaling that it was time to leave. For about a 2-mile stretch, they'd been combing through the area where the accident occurred to where they found the body of 12-year-old Janelle Walters, but no sign of the woman.
We would have had a thorough search both in the waters and on the riverbanks, straight through the river channel. We came out right at the fisherman's area there, and then we just continue along the sea coast. So we are now in the vicinity of the Freeport area, just checking the bankings just to verify if, we can make any success.
The Met Office says there's a trough lingering over the island and that the public should expect rain for the next few days. For some people, the rain may spell trouble for the search team trying to find Mrs. Walters, but for others, it may flush the river into the sea.
There's nothing the Coast Guard can do because this river is like nature. Do this, so
yeah,
you're going to need more than a bulldozer to clear this river.
Lance is a fisherman at the Montego Bay Fishing Village. He transported the TVJ team to the Montego River. We observed overgrown shrubs, murky waters filled with garbage and debris, another hindrance that the search team had to endure. The fishermen revealed that the river is also home to crocodiles.
If she drowned in the atoll and still in here, probably they have him because they live under the bank, the embankment. So if they see him in the atoll, they're going to pull him under there.
Soon, the river swelled, an indication that it was time for us to return to shore.
The search team had to call off their search because of the unpredictable weather. It's raining, as you can obviously see, which posed a challenge for the search team. The unpredictable weather, the choppy waters, which forced them to go back inside.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.